Good day, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. I made so many predictions for India, so I thought I would also see the Pisces new moon chart for the other countries. So let me elaborate this article, a glimpse on the Pisces new moon chart of 2021-22 of India, US, China, UK, and all are indicative of virus surge. There are some planetary positions which are parallel for all the cases, and they acquire a special attention and are most venomous. Let me first elaborate those parameters. The Pisces new moon chart of the year 2021-22 for India, US, China, UK are falling in the signs Taurus, Scorpio, Gemini, Capricorn, ascendant respectively, and all have common constraints and features mentioned below. The nakshatra is Revati of Sun and Moon, a Gandanta nakshatra. Sun and Moon are also at 28.15 degrees near to the Gandanta arc, are most malefic parameters. The yoga is Vadrati, most inauspicious, and hence the Ekargala happens and supposed to be bad condition for Sun and Moon. The Lord is Jupiter, Vadrati, placed in the 4th house in Papkatri Yoga. The signification of Jupiter will suffer. The Karna is Naga, the fixed Karna, and most inauspicious. Karya Siddhi will not happen. The Lord is Mahesh and the Lord of the 7th house of wars. All the planets are at the mouth of Rahu except Mars, who is out of the grip of Rahu but forming an Angarak Yoga. In the sign Taurus, in the Lagna of India, 7th house of US, in the 12th house of China, and the 5th house of UK. And all these houses will suffer, and the signification of all those houses will suffer. As per Shatyamsha chart D6 and Ashtamsha chart D8, chronicity of diseases is seen. Imprisonment, punishment, confinement, and hospitalization is seen from this Varga chart. And most important parameter for the virus surge, and all these D6 and D8 are giving malefic indication for all these countries. Partial Kalsarp Yoga. The Kalsarp Yoga indicates bandhana for the people and increasing suffering in the society that is already manifesting. There is a Grah Malika Yoga from the Saturn to Mars stretching over 5 signs. The planets starting and finishing these a garland yoga are most important is Saturn and Mars yoga. Starting is Saturn and the ending is Mars. Is Yama yoga, indicating death, transformation and restraint. This may indicate the continuing restrictions imposed on most countries due to virus spread and other natural and unnatural calamities. Saturn receives the aspect of Rahu by Gemini aspect and by Prashar aspect also. And Saturn aspects Sun and Moon and debilitated Mercury. This parameter is most venomous. There is Parivartana Yoga, exchange between Venus in Aries and Mars in Taurus. This will mitigate the Yama Yoga to some extent, and we will probably see reduced fatalities from the virus as compared to 2020. However, Venus in Aries is subject to Papkatri Yoga between the Sun in Pisces and Mars in Rahu in Taurus. Venus placed in the fiery sign in Aries indicates the private enterprises will suffer the most. You know, the private enterprises, the small enterprises, they will suffer the most. For India, read my detailed predictions below in the chart given. So this is all, friends. You can see I have elaborated for each and every case, for each and every country. The nutshell is that the economy will be hit, and there will be surge in coronavirus throughout the world. And the most enigmatic time frame will be when there will be Veda between Mars and Saturn in the Rashi and Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra, and there will be opposition between Mars and Saturn. So, and as per September 2020 also I have seen that they were Mars and Saturn were in square position. Now Mars and Saturn will be opposing each other. So this time frame from the 2nd June to 20th July will also be most enigmatic. To cut short the things in a nutshell, from 12th April to 20th July will be the most enigmatic time, and when the arc 6.2, 18.4, 19 degrees in Capricorn, and 20 and 20 degrees, 22 degrees in Cancer will be activated by Mars, will be the most venomous time, and all these time frames have been mentioned in all my articles. I must have written more than 25 articles now, and all the details, not a single astrologer has done a detailed analysis. Not a single, I can bet. They have not used the Rashi Sangata Chakra. They don't even know what is Rashi Sangata Chakra, what is Nakshatra Sangata Chakra, what is Kurma Chakra, and they are giving predictions as if they are doing natal predictions. Natal astrology cannot be used in mundane predictions. Let me be very honest about it. They don't even know what are the sensitive points in the arc, and they are predicting just in the air. I don't want to contradict them, but just I am trying to tell you the specific ways of predicting a mundane event is very important. There are 41 charts of a country, and all those 41 charts of the country have to be seen, and especially the Pisces new moon chart, the foundation chart, the lunar Paksh Kundlis, and then the solar ingress of the planets. Now, coming back to my predictions, these countries all will suffer, and in a nutshell, we have to take care of ourselves. We have to maintain distance, social distancing, use mask, and let us pray to God that we get over this problem as early as possible. In a broader spectrum, I've already predicted coronavirus will only disappear after the 8th February 2023, because we have parallel situations like corona, like Spanish flu, and I have given all the dates in my previous articles. How will this coronavirus ease? The worst is till 18th of May. To be very clear about everything, the 18th of May, after 18th of May, slowly and slowly things would ease. And till Ketu is there in the Scorpio sign till 17th May 2022. Ketu has to come out of this because he is in Jesta star, and Jesta star is the most malefic and enigmatic star, and all the global events, dreaded events happen when there are malefics in the Jesta star, and especially when moon joins that day, you will see there will be the spikes in the coronavirus will increase. And whenever Ketu will get affliction, then also right now Ketu is getting affliction till the 14th of April. So that is why we have also seen the increase in coronavirus cases, and lockdowns will also be imposed. So that is all, friends, I just wanted to share. Thank you very much for listening to me. Have a good day and best of luck.